Concern with. The idiom, concern with, is used to describe a situation or topic that someone is interested in or focused on. It implies that the person is giving attention or consideration to a particular matter. It can also suggest that someone is involved or engaged in dealing with a specific issue. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the usage of concern with. 1. She has a deep concern with environmental issues. This means that she is very interested in and focused on matters related to the environment. She might actively participate in activities such as recycling, reducing waste, or advocating for eco-friendly practices. 2. The company's main concern is with customer satisfaction. Here, it indicates that the primary focus or priority of the company is ensuring that customers are satisfied with their products or services. The company may invest resources in improving customer support, addressing complaints, and conducting surveys to gauge customer satisfaction. 3. The government's concern with national security has increased after recent events. This suggests that the government has become more attentive and involved in matters related to national security due to recent incidents or threats. It may result in increased surveillance, stricter border controls, or enhanced intelligence gathering. 4. His concern with academic success is evident in his dedication to studying. This means that he is highly committed to achieving academic success. He may spend long hours studying, seeking additional resources, or seeking help from tutors to improve his performance in school. In all these examples, the idiom, concern with, highlights the specific area of interest or focus and emphasizes the attention or involvement someone has in that particular matter.